Do you want to know how to sync Notion across all your devices? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, go ahead and open Google Chrome, then type in notion.com. Once you do that, on the top right corner, you're gonna see options like request a demo, login, and get Notion free. Go ahead and tap on login. Once you do that, you'll see this on your screen. Go ahead and select the method that you've used to sign in other devices like your phone, your other laptops, or iPads, etc. I'm gonna select continue with Google because I've used that on other devices. Now select the account that you've used. Once you do that, you'll successfully log in into your Notion account and you'll successfully sync Notion across all your devices. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.